Hello! Today, we're visiting the amazing Squishy House. Fun choices, secret rooms, mazes, and puzzles are waiting for you. Can you solve them all? Let's find out! Which door would you enter? The pink house, the green house, or the ice house? Wow, these houses are amazing! Which one did you choose? Which Pellman's private room would you like to see? Oh, the rooms are so neat and cozy. Do you like them too? Let's check out the Pomeshki's bedrooms. Which one's house are you in? Everything looks amazing here too. Now let's check out the guest rooms. Which one would you choose? Wow, how amazing! Did you like it too? Let's check out the plushies' bathrooms. Which one would you choose? Wow, it's so beautiful! Did you like it too? Now let's check out the final room, the kitchen. After that, we'll choose from lots of delicious food. Let's take a little brain break. Find the path through the maze that leads to the Squishy's house. Did you find the answer? Now the fun begins. We're in the kitchen, where you'll find foods you love and maybe some you don't. There are also all kinds of cakes and delicious desserts. It's totally up to you what you choose. Ready? Let's go! Which of the three Pomeshki's dishes on the table would you choose? Great choice! Which of the three combos would you choose? What amazing combos! Did you like them? Which of the three toasters would you choose? Oh no! Our ice dumpling burned the toast. Which of the three dumplings would you eat? Ooh, looks so delicious. I don't even know which one to choose. Which pizza would you choose? Did you like your choice? Which one's chips would you choose? Did your choice turn out the way you hoped? Can you spot all the differences? There are 10 differences in this picture. Did you find them all? Which drink would you choose? Did you make the right choice? Which cake would you choose? Which cheesecake would you choose? Did you really like your choice? Which bread would you choose? Did you like it? Which Nutella would you choose? Is this what you were expecting? Whose ice cream would you eat? It's almost time to go, so let's head to the bathroom and choose some toilet paper. Which Dumplings house are you in? Did you make the right choice? Write the correct answer in the comments. Subscribe so you don't lose in the channel. See you in the next quiz.